Hey guys, welcome back to Colorado Graphics Design channel. It's great having you here. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can solve the problem of embossing your shape or your text having a crack effect on Pixellab app. But before diving into the video, if you are a new viewer, don't forget to smash on the subscribe button and put on the notification bell to get notified whenever I upload new and amazing videos. And as for the returning viewers, thank you, I really appreciate. So like I said earlier, I'll be teaching you guys how you can solve the problem of embossing your text or your shape or embossing any object on Pixellab app, saving it having a crack image. And so I'll be using this diamond logo in explaining that. So I will emboss this diamond logo. As you can see, I've embossed the diamond logo. So the next thing I'll be doing is that I'll be creating a shape. You drag this shape, you drag it out of the screen. You make sure the shape is not showing. So after that, you merge the shape, you merge it together with this diamond logo. As you can see, after merging this together, you can see the diamond logo is not cracked. So reducing this and increasing it, the diamond logo is not cracked. So if you should save this, the diamond logo will not be having a crack effect. Just like if you emboss your object or you emboss your text on Pixellab app, then you save it, you will be having a crack effect on the text or the object you emboss. But with this method I've explained to you, you will not be having this problem of crack effect on your designs anymore. So in reducing this, increasing it, you can see the crack effect is no more showing. Let's say we have not marked the shape with this and we save this diamond logo, it will be having a crack effect. But after this method I've explained to you guys, you will not be having the problem of crack effect on your design. So thanks for watching.